Here's the train. You can see a little bit of the smoke coming out. Here's the tree. Big, beautiful red tree. Does that look nice? My wife did that. She did a beautiful job there. Okay, I'm going to take a shot of the train coming through. Here's the skaters skating around, and here comes the train. See a little smoke on there. And of course, my favorite part. And then the lights go on. Here's the home. This is the theater right there. That's the theater. Here's the school. This is the post office. Well, although they said they might close it. And here's the drugstore. Merry Christmas. Happy birthday.